Uppercase A. Lowercase a. Uppercase B. Lowercase b. Uppercase C. Lowercase c. Uppercase D. Lowercase d. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A is for apple. A is for ant. B is for ball. B is for bat. C is for car. C is for carrot. D is for duck. D is for door. Uppercase A. Lowercase a. Uppercase B. Lowercase b. Uppercase C. Lowercase c. Uppercase D. Lowercase d. Please like and subscribe to my channel.